Alright, guys. Hopefully you like that intro. Something a little cheesy. I've been playing Mario Party with the family. It's been a long time. We haven't played Mario Party or Mario Kart since like 2018, long time ago. I lost at Mario Kart. I don't even know how to drive anymore, but that's besides the point. Tesla, like I said previously, this is a pattern here. If this thing breaks 196, if it breaks this, we can close this gap to 207, and then the sky's the limit here to possibly back to 240 plus. We'll see what happens moving forward. Not a guarantee. We're trying here. We're really working for this. We want to break this. The big green candle going into that resistance. We'll see what actually happens at end of day close and in after hours. And of course, Friday usually tends to be a selling day. We'll see what happens as well. But very bullish if we break this. Too many people were bearish here. I was tempted to buy puts, not gonna lie. But I remember telling people like, hey, be careful. Just because everyone's bearish doesn't mean it's time to load up on puts. Just go with whatever the market is showing you. But just look at this channel. Look at this perfect bounce every single time. Perfect rejection every single time. If this is anything to go by, as long as it's going to follow this pattern, no reason not to buy down here in anticipation of a move higher. But I personally want to see that break. I need to see that break above 186. That breaks, we're going because there's a lot of people watching. And there's probably a lot of shorts in this, so they're going to get squeezed. Shorts are looking at this going, oh man, I hope it rejects here. I want to see rejection. I want to see it break down and go to 100. Oh boy, if this breaks. That's all I'm going to say, guys. And that's it for the video. I don't think I need to go too in deep. I mean, that pattern is pretty clear. If we switch to the weekly, it's probably much more clear. Yeah, there we go. So let me just, where's my arrow tool? Boom. That's where buyers step up. That's where buyers step up. That's where buyers step up. This is the anticipated move here. 226 minimum. And that's about it, guys. I mean, wow. It could not be a more perfect setup. We'll see if we eventually get a big move to 300 again. Because if you look at this right here, let me just show you something. We eventually broke out. So here, maybe we eventually break out. That's what I'm thinking. Again, I could be wrong. This has a pretty interesting pattern of trending downward in a channel, and then eventually it breaks out. Here it broke down actually. Then recovered, V-shaped recovery, mind you. Wow, that was quick. It came down to 116, and I think that was the bear market. Yeah, that was a bit of a yeah. That was the whole bear market. Here's your bull market. Here's just I guess it's in a bear market technically speaking, right? It's just creating lower lows and lower highs over the long term. Interesting. Imagine what's going to happen when this thing starts going on a bull run again. I mean, that V-shaped recovery is no joke. When this thing recovers, oh boy, does it recover. I'm just drawing too many lines here on the weekly. But in the meantime, just play the breakout if it does happen. All right, guys. Though, yeah, for sure, I'm looking to add shares if it breaks. I'm not buying calls. No, I'm not. I'm just not an options guy. I really am not. I stick to what I know, which is swing trading. Cool stocks like Sound, Bitcoin miners like Riot, Mara, BitF, BTBT, Silver. I know that sounds crazy. Like, who would trade silver? Well, guys, if you just buy silver when it's cheap and you swing it for a day, you make money. I don't know what to tell you. Like, silver's not that very volatile. I get it. But man, is it consistent at staying between 20 and 24 since the new decade started. As you can see, since the new decade, it's just going sideways here. So it's pretty easy to just flip it for a quick 50 cents. I'm always on the lookout, guys. Always on the lookout for the next opportunity for a swing. Again, I'm not a day trader, options trader. That's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.